Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not an investment advice. So this video is another Fibonacci trading strategy video, yes, of those kind of concepts, Fibonacci trading concepts, which I have explained in my ebook. So get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option global trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument, and any kind of broker. So get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So yes, Fibonacci, we are talking about Fibonacci, yes. So let me see if I can draw here some Fibonacci level. So we will apply the Fibonacci level here. Yes, let me draw this here from here to here. Yes, so this is the Fibonacci level. Now we are getting here closer to this 161.8. This candle looks like a weak candle, but this is more a retracement. Yes, and so I will do a trend continuation. So I will enter into a call because I'm sure that price will continue to going up against the 161.8 Fibonacci level. Yes, that is what I'm doing here. I'm not expecting a reversal. That candle is there to trap. And now I will do nothing else than this kind of trick. So this trick, let me show you this trick here. Yes, I will place the zero line here. Okay, wait, I will not place the zero line here. There I will place the 100 level here. Yes, so this 100 level, and this zero level I will place here. Yes, so okay, let's see what's happening. If this will be a shooting star, I will enter, yes, this is a shooting star, I will enter into a put, because I'm sure that price will not move up further, that we are not going to touch this level here. Look at this here, this 161.8 Fibonacci level, and that's the reason why I entered immediately into a put, because I have explained this so often. If you get not a strong signal by a break of these levels, yes, you can mostly expect that there will be happening a reversal. Yes, that is that's what you should understand. That is also the concept of BOTT sure shot 5. Yes, BOTT sure shot 5, the fake breakout of the Fibonacci level. Yes, that is what BOTT sure shot 5 is about. And yes, I want to see what's happening here. Yes, but at the end I have to use another trick, and that is this one. I have to apply this here to change the projection into a retracement. And you see now that is a nice area to do a put now, because this level here is the next stop. Yes, this is the next stop. Price will most probably continuing to this level. This is a nice engulfing candle. So I'm pretty much sure that price will move down further. This doesn't look like this at the moment, because that is what market is trying to do with those one who are not experienced. The market tries to fool them. It looks like we would go up. They enter into a call because they think that would be a trend continuation, but in reality it's a reversal, and this engulfing candle is telling this, yes, but only experienced trader will understand this, that we are getting into a reversal, and that's the reason why this will be in the money for sure for me, yes, and all others would be trapped because they would understand this as a trend continuation. So that was already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel, and if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye bye. Okay, it looks like we are going down to the 23.6 Fibonacci level. This candle here is showing me a strong selling pressure, so strong that this candle will close to the 23.6 level, and that's the reason why I'm entering into a put at this late entry point. Yes, but if you have the understanding, Yes, the understanding of the Fibonacci projection, Fibonacci extension, yes, and Fibonacci retracement, all those concepts which I have explained in detail in my ebook in the deep explanation videos. You understand that you can also enter really late into some kind of trades, but you should understand also the other concepts. Yes, it's not only done with the Fibonacci concepts. You need to understand market condition and so on. So that was it. So I would say stay safe, practice, yes, study those things which I have explained in my ebook, and you see how they work. They do work all the time if you understand the concept. And yes, and so you can do the same stuff like me if you are willing to study. So okay, that was it. So bye bye.